All right, so we are staying in the master bathroom doing the linen closet. Yesterday we did under the sink. I will put links below. This stayed really nice for like 8 months, and then the last few months, I don't know what happened. It got crazy, horrible. I need to declutter and also organize. It's just, I don't even know. Let's blame my husband. Sound good? All right, let's do it. Welcome back to my Declutter With Me series. If you have a fun name, let me know. I don't know. We could do Declutter in a Dash again from last year, but let's get into it because we have a lot of stuff and I want to do this within 20 minutes to half hour, and there's a lot of stuff. So first you get your bag out. So you need a trash bag and another bag. Where's my other bag? Is there another bag? And a bag for stuff going into a different room, and a giveaway bag. So, there we go. It's hard to get this all in without me being like a tiny ant, so bear with me. I'm going to start with the hardest first, with all like the small stuff. This is a bin of a lot of stuff. So, first of all, I'm going to keep this. This is sunscreen, so we're going to keep that in there. There's some bug spray. You can always use that. Always look at the expiration on your sunscreen, especially if you're pale like mama. This one doesn't have an expiration. I'm going to ditch it. I know I've had this for several years, so I'll put that in the trash. And then there's Neutrogena face one. I know I got that last year. Keeping that. I've got so many little travel things, and they're great for traveling. Another one of these, they were $6.99 at TJ Maxx. Now I'm doing like a haul or something. All right, we don't need to go into those details. Then I have a little lotion, a little dry shampoo. I'll just go through some of these quickly. After Sun, that is, I always need that because I burn easily. Luckily I didn't burn last year at all. And then this is DEET-free, like kids baby bug spray. I really never end up using these. I'll put this in a giveaway. I just don't use them. These are the little arm bands to keep the bugs away. Have you used them? I never got to use this last year, so I'm curious. Oh, the sea salt. What is this, the hair mist? I do like the sea salt sprays, but I remember being like, oh, I'll use this last summer, and I never did. Oh, it smells heavenly. If I don't use it this summer, I'll get rid of it. This is a Downy Wrinkle Releaser, keeping that. Nexus Therapy. This one is like almost, let me look. That I used on all my trips. Oh, there's still enough in there. This one's really good. I love this. And for travel, you know, sometimes they have not the best, especially if you have like dyed hair. This tiny little lotion, Neutrogena, a Whisper Light Silky Moisturizer. This I will not use because it's just one of these eco-botanic, something that was probably I stole from a hotel. That'll give away. A small hairspray, keep that for sure. These Caudalie cleansing oil stuff, I really think those go bad because they're made from like real natural grape ingredients, and I just don't trust that they stay good. They usually, you know, will say that they only last 6 months, and it's definitely been over that. These are, oh, these are face ones, 50. I got these in a box or one of the subscription boxes or something, SPF 50. I have a lot of SPF, that's for sure. Let me look at this expiration date. 2018, 6/2018. I'm going to get rid of that. I will give that away, but I just have so many others. That one expires before summer. I mean, it's like June, but I have plenty others. This lotion, I'll give that away with its little friend. Little toothpaste. It's Kids Crest, so I'm going to keep that one. So this is like all my travel stuff. Baby powder, a little hack. Bring this to the beach and you put it on everybody's legs when they're sandy, and guess what happens? You get the sand off. I'm not going to use this little packet. I'll give that away. And then, ooh, Bug Guard. This one was the one that I think was good for kids too. It's like family fun. What is this? A box of, oh gosh, is this a sewing kit? Let's be honest. I've never used one. I probably never will. Giveaway. I have my traveling curling iron. I mean, I think it's time. I have not used it. I I don't know if I probably used it like twice when I first got it 10 years ago. Pond's little cleansers, that's good to get your face off at the end of the night. And then let's see, what do we have? Expiration date. Oh, SPF 85. I don't want to be paler than I am. Jeez, people. A little lotion on this. So I might give that to my husband, actually. And then this is a sea salt hydrating body lotion. That sounds divine. I'm going to keep that one. Triple Sec. This is another dry shampoo. I have one. I don't really use them a lot when I'm on vacation. I'll give that one away. And then another one of these. Let's see. Sunscreens. I tend to bring my bigger bottles anyway. Now this smoothing eye cream concentrate, I have a lot of these little things I got in subscription boxes and I just don't reach for. I'm going to throw a bunch of those. Oh, I love this. This is Cool Way Beach Salt Spray. I use this a lot. Oh, it smells like I'm at the beaches. Oh, and this is the matching little, it's the Disney Cruise line, by the way. My friend brought these back from Disney Cruise. This is a conditioner. I'm not going to use that. I really like to use my own stuff because my hair is very finicky, so I'm going to give that away. And a detox mask. I'm just not going to use that. This is the mini Mickey whatever shampoo. Not going to use it. This is nice, the like travel waterproof eye makeup remover. I don't use these. I use the wipes. I really do. Or my Foops remover because I sell lip scents. I'm going to mention that every freaking video. Poppy Minx Boutique on Facebook. I'll link it below. And then this is, ooh, 7 Shine 1 on Heat Defense Blowout Spray. That one I will keep and I will give this away because that one doesn't have heat defense. So, okay. I can put all those back. I'm just I'm not organizing now. I will organize later. I can do a whole video on that if you'd like. You want me to do separate organization videos? I'm just going to throw those back in. Alright, so that one's just in that little bin. Now, let's go to this. This box, little basket, bin, whatever, has tissues. I've just got like a random... I'm going to get rid of these. I bought new washcloths because these are getting real dingy. So I'm going to use these as rags for cleaning. So I'm going to put them in the basement. Okay, I'm going to put this in the trash. So we keep like bags to use in the little small trash cans in the bathroom here. So I'm going to use that. And then we have some tissues. Very exciting. And then this Dove Sensitive. Is this expired? I think I got this, 2013. I mean, does soap go bad? I don't know, but I don't need it. This hand sanitizer, these little guys, I have so much sanitizer because I'm a crazy germaphobe. And I really like the scented ones. I've had them forever. You can't think, you gotta move quickly. Am I gonna use them? Have I used them? No, okay? Tissues we can always use, yes. This is I have no idea what these light bulbs are for. Okay, they're just extra. I'm going to leave them in there. So then I'm going to put this back in there, and that cleared out some space. Just take these out of the wrapper. Not like the wrapper like M&M wrapper, Marshall Mathers wrapper, but like this. They don't fit that well, but organization later. Alright, so there's one. Gotta move quick, gotta move quick. I swear, the quicker you do, the better you do, because you just go with your gut and you're like, boom, 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 boom. Alright, this one. Hair stuff. This is my Sigma drying, where I bleh, can't talk as quickly as I can do this. Dries your brushes, makeup brushes. So, this brush cleaner I really don't use anymore. I get rid of that. I really just use like baby shampoo and oil, so anything I used to use, it's gone. Silver cleaner, I've never used. What is this? Oh, this is the solid brush cleaner. I just don't. I'm just gonna be honest with myself. Have you used it? I have not used. This is where you dip your hand in and you get your nail polish remover off. It's great. Don't really use it. No, I'm gonna get rid of that one. This is, I like this one and I have one out right now. So I'm going to use that. And then this is finishing spray nail polish that makes it dry faster. I'm going to keep it and see. And then this is a little drier, though I think this is fun, like when Cora, I guess she could now. We could maybe start doing that and reevaluate that in the next year. All right, there's the basket for you. What else do we have? Okay. Oh, mama sheets, mama sheets. I don't know. There is a lonely little, got some pillowcases here because I use silk pillowcases, like so. Here's one right now. But I like to keep those because I have the sets anyway. But so I'll keep those in there. I need to fold those better and keep these pillowcases for now. This was in the bottom of that, and this is, gotta go through it, gotta go through it. You see something like, don't ignore it. Go in and say, oh, this is the dry shampoo. I like that one. So that goes in with my travel stuff, which is over here. Not gonna use it. Not gonna use it. I'm gonna do the rest of the video like this. I will keep that in my travel bin, and then I'll do travel tissues. How exciting. I'll stick them in there. And then I have, there's some Band-Aids. We'll put them in the little travel box too. And then there's Ricola. Those are probably like expired and nasty. So this is a little bag I'll keep there. Who's next? Who is next? Here's some towels. Obviously need to keep those. I want to get dry. Alright, but here's the thing of some washcloths and stuff like that. We'll get in here. Yes, we use that one. So these are the old crusty ones I'm going to get rid of. There's a bunch of them. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of those. Couldn't use them as cleaning rags or whatever. And these are all my beautiful new ones. I got at Home Goods the other day. And these I use all the time. These are amazing. You can get them at Bed Bath & Beyond. They're makeup washcloths. Oh, here's another. And then I have these that I love too because they're black so they don't look dirty. And then I have a little holiday towel I'll keep. And then for all those lovely monthly times, that goes there. Let's get into, oh, more monthly. Let's talk about monthly. I get horrendous cramps, like so bad. And these things are more and more hard to find. They're the heating pads you stick on your little uterus, cervix, all that good stuff area. TMI? Maybe. Sorry, boys. But I stock up on those when I find them because they are really hard to find recently. So I have a few boxes of those, and I get them when they're on sale. And then, so this whole basket is like heating pad. There's this weird hot pack. You just never know. There's a cold pack. If you jack your foot up, I mean, I can get rid of this, right? Yeah, it needs to go. I'm not going to plan on pulling all the tendons in my leg and foot again. This, though, the wrist thing, that's probably good to have, right? And I have these for broken fingers. I did sprain my finger twice, so I kept this, and it came in handy. Right away I could put it in a little splint. So I'm going to keep that, and then these are ball of foot. When I had really a horrible injury to my leg and foot, and I don't need that anymore. This is from when I was in the hospital. Do I need that? No. Okay. And then there's wrapping tape, which is good to have. So we'll keep all that. And here's just like a first aid case kit thing. I think there's nothing. Oh, there are Band-Aids in there. Okay. We'll keep you. How are we on time? Oh, 15 minutes. I told you this is a rough one. We might have to do two segments. All right, so this is all hair stuff. I'm not gonna lift the basket, it's heavy. I've got my hair waver, definitely can that. This I use all the time for straightening. I have a couple brushes. This protects the counters from the heat. I don't use this leave-in conditioning spray cover. This is a volumizing spray I do use. This is a shine spray. It's Suave. I love that stuff. It's some oil deliciousness. This is a wand I use on occasion. Let me think though. Do I really need you? Because I often will do it with this. This one, that's tricky. I might keep it for another 6 months. Here's the glove, because OJ's been here. Just kidding. So I don't burn myself. This is a stand to put the thing in. Oh, this is weightless hairspray. I do use that on occasion. Let's see. This is is this natural movement? Yeah, this is the one you spray and your hair still moves. I feel like I have 2 minutes. I never use this. It's a thermal spray. I've had it for years. I stopped using it. This I use to kill bugs. Not even kidding. Blow dry, quick dry primer spray. I never use it. It was a nice thought. It's a 10 Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer. Maybe I should try it and see if I like it better than the other one. Here's my backup of that oil. Here's my grandma's clips. Just kidding. You know, these are to get your hair out of your way. And do I use them? Nope. Comb. It can hang in the shower. How lovely. These are, diffusers. Yes, I will keep those little, well, they just, not diffuser. What's it called? Flatten your hair. Okay, this is my old cheat. I don't use it because I have that other one I got sent, and I like that one better. Gosh, I've had this since like 2000 and, I don't know, 5 or something. Another glove. Well, I guess if I have a hair party, we can all join in. All right, so I think, let me throw in, I've got Costco size deodorant. I've got, here's some more soap I can put in with those. Lever 2000, that's what my husband uses in case you're like, your husband is just smelling delightful. What is it? What is it, Steela? I'll tell you. It's Lever 2000. More pads because happens. Let me do this one. This is, I freaking love this. This is like my jam travel bag. That's why I was debating keeping that other one, but this is like, that's I can use for a weekend. This I use like when I go away longer. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Do I go through this, guys? I think it's probably all pretty good. Even the medicine, the Ricola, maybe I'll get rid of. I have to look. And everything else, though, should be fine in there. So I'm going to keep that all as it is. And then these are for overnight. Overnight party in my pants. Okay, that sounds like I'm like wearing Depends or something. The other things, cleaner cleansers, and medication. So I'm going to do a separate video because this is already 20 minutes. So let's say Seacrest out. I hope you decluttered with me. You should be doing this with me. I mean, you can watch it and then do it, but you should be taking this much time a day. It goes quickly, and you really do notice a difference, and it feels good every day. You're like, oh, I'm getting rid of stuff. And you have a big party, and you invite me, okay? I want to be invited. So thumbs up this video if you are liking these videos, and I'm glad to be back, and I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Declutter doses!